Everyone, in this video we are going to learn how we can add the security gateway. Okay, so first what I will do, I will access the SMS with the help of smart console, and then we are going to add the security gateway in the SMS. So first we need to put the IP. Here IP is already correct, 192.168.17.100, and password you can put admin, whatever the password you are having, or ABC, anything, put that one and press enter. It will connect. This one, this smart console is connected here. It is installed in my computer, so I am using the NAT cloud here, or we can say cloud 0. So cloud 0 is connected to my LAN, my computer. So I can see here I am here, I log into the security management server. So in this one I need to add the security gateway. So you can see here we have the two blades. One is a network policy management, another is a login and state. So how I can add here? If I want to add, I can click here new and the gateway. I need to add the new gateway. Here we have the two options. We can use the classic mode or we can use the wizard mode. So if you use classic mode, you need to put all the detail manually. So now let's use the wizard mode. So when you click here the wizard mode, you will get this type of interface. Here you need to put the gateway detail. So gateway, we are saying security gateway name and what platform gateway is using. If you remember, if you see here, what is the platform we are using? This one. This is a security gateway, checkpoint security gateway, and platform is open server. So we need to select here open server. So see here, where is the open server? You have here this one, open server. And after that you need to put the IP address. What is your IP address? So what is the security gateway IP we configure? If you see here, this one, 192.168.17.50. So we need to put that one. So here I will write 192.168.17.50, 17.50. Okay, I done that one. After that I will click next. It will take some time, we need to wait. After that, if you see, they are asking me to put the one-time password. If you remember, when we set up this security gateway, we put one password. That same password I need to put here. So you need to remember that password, what you put. So I think I put this one. Let's see. You need to remember that. Okay, so I put that password. After that I can click next. So authentication failed. So let me try to type again. I did not remember what password I set up. So let me try again. So whatever password you set up, you can write down and keep somewhere. Okay, so this is the correct password. See here, when I set up the password, I get the detail, and you can see this detail is correct. I have this interface ETH0. I configured this IP 192.168.17.50. So this is correct information. This interface is 17.50. ETH1 is 3.1. We can check. ETH1 is 3.1. ETH2 is 1.1. Here you can see ETH2 is 1.1. ETH3 is 2.1. We configure here, so that information we are getting here. Okay, so this is correct one only. So what we can say here, we can close this, and after that we can see here we are getting this. This is the gateway name, because we are using only one gateway. We have one firewall only, so no problem. Or you can, if you are using more than one, we can give the name SG1, SG2 like this. And this is the IP, this is the open server platform we are using, and this all are okay. We can just click finish. Okay, so we can click finish. So you can see here you will get this type of window. You need to wait. After that you will get this, and here you can see this is a color. If you want to change, you can change, or you can keep here. This color will appear here when you are connected. This one, the color will come. Example, if I select this, and when I apply, the color will come here. And this state green, it is not showing the status is green, because still we did not configure. When we configure, it will become green. So here I can give any color, whatever color. Example, if I want to give green, brown, any color, I selected example this, or let me take and let's take this only, and this information is correct. So what I can do in the network security, I have monitoring, I will enable this monitoring here. Okay, and what else I can do, I can enable the NAT also. If you see this one, I have the NAT here. Click here and click here, and here you can see add a automatic NAT rule. Okay, so this one we can use, or yeah, or better remove this, directly click here, so you can do, so this will be applied to everything. Just click on the NAT. So here you put this, after that click OK. Okay, and then it will sync. You need to wait for some time. The color which I selected, that color it will appear here, but here it should become green, but it will take time. So you need to wait for some time, because this should become like this, same like this color. So we need to wait, or what you can do, yeah, we can wait. So it will take some time, after that it will connect. Okay, I click here, everything is okay. Settings, just I am checking, everything is good, no issue, everything is good. Just we click OK, and it will take time to synchronize. So we need to wait for some time. Once it is synchronized, you will have the green color like this, like you have here. Here also you will get like that color. Machine status is not available, and here machine status is okay. So we need to wait for some time, so it will become green. So what I will do, I will pause the video, else the video become lengthy. So here I will publish this, whatever changes we done, but we will not install the policy. Okay, because we need this available, then only we can install. So just publish this, and if you want to install also, you can click, but if you install now, you will get the error, because still it is not connected here. So whatever changes we done here, we can publish, and you can see here it is available, this color, whatever we selected, and here status should become green, then only we can install the policy. So if you want to try, you can click like this and install, but you will get the error, because still it is not connected. So we can just wait. Now see, it is green now. Okay, I did not install, just it become green. So you need to publish and wait, or if you want to install also, you can click, but don't install. But if you want to install, you will get error. Once this become green, after that you can install like this. Okay, so now he is installing the policy. So this way we will connect, the security gateway to the SMS. So now it is installing the policy. We are pushing the policy to the security gateway, and after that you will see it is succeed, and now it is connected. So this way we will connect. Installation success, and you can see the machine state is okay. So this way we will connect, and we don't have license, still we did not activate it, that's why it is appearing here, but we install here. Okay, this one is their security gateway is ready now. So in our next class we are going to learn how we can create the policy and NAT rule, and how we can push there. In our next class we are going to learn that one.